So we'll voice over all the stuff that we just messed up. All right. So what's the reason that you put those where you got those clips?
Just so that way your grout joint can't get pinched from either this side being high and then pinching this and opening that up. That way we push it. Neither side can go anywhere because it's got something in the way for it to go somewhere.
Gotcha.
So we already had this one buttered up and the arrow right there.
Yep. Got the arrow. So that's kind of what we were pointing out earlier. Yeah.
I have them going that way.
So you have them going this way. That arrow.
That way.
Oh, this way?
Yeah, cause we started on the back wall with them all pointing that way. So these ones are pointing that way, these ones are pointing that way, those ones are pointing that way. That way it's all just, so if it's basically on the ground,
so
it'll
look,
all be crazy.
Those are going that way.
Yep.
Those are going that way.
Yep.
And these are going this way.
Yep.
Got it. So it's one big.
Yeah, so basically if you were to take this and lay it on the floor, they're still all running the same way.
Gotcha.
And that's kind of why I do the cuts the way I do. Because it looks like it's continuous. It looks like it's a full piece, full piece, full piece.
Yeah.
And the same thing over here.
My back.
So then you go ahead and wipe that out.
Yeah, I kind of clean those out. Sometimes I use toothbrush, get up in there.
Oh damn! Look, no crap, huh? Look at him with his toothbrush.
That way,
Love
Same one
that.
he brushes his teeth with.
same one. I use.
Damn.
Oh, it helps out on not having to scrape grout joints as much.
Gotcha. Heck yeah. Actually, I've never seen somebody take a toothbrush and do that. That's the secret weapon, huh?
That's it.
The toothbrush. I love it. That definitely helps from it globbing up and sticking and keeps you clean as you're going.
Oh, yeah.
Now, when you're putting pressure on those and you hear the clicks.
Well, I'm just really setting these for right now just so they don't fall out.
Yeah. But then what do you do? Do you do something different later? So what is that?
These are the pliers for those.
There's okay. So take them. Nice. Can I see those?
They actually make a wall set and a floor set. That's the floor set. I just use them on the walls and floors. I'm not getting two different pairs.
Right.
They work the same way. It's just the heads turn different on the other one.
So what do you do? So you can adjust the settings on it or what?
Yeah, this is for the different thicknesses of tiles.
Okay.
You just loosen it up and shift it to where you need it. If you got thicker tile or smaller tile.
Yeah, so on your smaller tile, you're going to adjust it up because you want the wedge to go in less, right?
Yep.
Okay, gotcha. It's pretty cool, man. You never know what you're going to learn or see or
Oh, those things
the
come in handy. We start
toothbrush.
doing a lot of because I do them with my hand sometimes, but after a
When you're
while,
doing a lot, it's just easy to clamp it, huh?
yeah, your hand gets tired of going like this
Yeah.
a lot.
The secret tool to save your hands, huh?
Yeah, for sure.
Nice. All right. I'm gonna leave you alone for the day. Then. Cool.